Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn English through picture description. This picture shows a colorful and cheerful scene inside a beauty salon. A hairdresser is standing on the right side of the image. She has short red-orange hair and is smiling happily. She is holding a pair of scissors in one hand and a red comb in the other. The hairdresser is wearing an apron with tools like scissors, clips, and combs in the pocket. A young girl is sitting in a salon chair in the middle of the image. She has long wavy blonde hair and is wearing a pink dress. She is sitting calmly while getting a haircut. The girl is looking at herself in a large mirror on the wall. The mirror has yellow lights around the edges, making it look bright and fancy. On the counter, in front of the mirror, there is a small blue spray bottle and a green comb. There is a white drawer with 3 handles below the mirror. On top of the drawer, there is a blue spray bottle and a green comb. On the left side, there is a round blue table. On the table, there are more salon items, including a red hair dryer, a purple brush, and bottles of hair products. The room has light purple walls and purple curtains hanging on both sides. The floor is shiny and light blue in color. The whole scene looks clean, bright, and welcoming. Both the hairdresser and the little girl appear to be happy and enjoying the moment. The environment looks friendly and kid-friendly. This is well-equipped and tidy hair salon. Let's practice questions and answers from the picture. Answers are given at the end of the video. Question 1. Who is cutting the girl's hair? Question 2. What is the girl doing while sitting on the chair? Question 3. What is the hairdresser holding in her hands? Question 4. What items are on the table in the salon? Question 5. What color is the hairdresser's apron? Subscribe to the channel for more picture description.